Complete the chart. Write and solve the equation. The problem is how many pounds of premium coffee beans should be mixed with 2 pounds of supreme coffee to make the blend coffee. Here's our chart, and they also give us a drawing on the top right corner that tells us how much the premium coffee costs per pound, the supreme coffee per pound, and the blended coffee per pound. If we look at our question, the variable, the amount that's unknown that we're trying to figure out, is how many pounds of premium coffee beans should be mixed. So that's why we put an X here. Our variable, our unknown, is how many pounds of premium coffee need to be mixed with 2 pounds of supreme coffee. The cost per pound for the premium coffee is $9.50. That would make the total cost of the premium coffee be equal to the number of pounds of premium coffee times the cost per pound, 9.5x. The supreme coffee, well, the number of pounds for supreme coffee would be 2, because we're trying to find out how many pounds of premium coffee beans should be mixed with 2 pounds of supreme coffee. The cost per pound for supreme coffee is $11.75. That would make the total cost 2, the number of pounds of supreme coffee, times the cost per pound, $11.75. Let's drop that into a calculator, and we get 23.5. Our blended coffee, well, the number of pounds of blend coffee would be the number of pounds of premium coffee added to the number of pounds of supreme coffee. So if we have X pounds of premium coffee and 2 pounds of supreme coffee, then the blend coffee would be X plus 2. And the cost per pound of blend coffee is shown in the picture, $10. So our total cost for the blend coffee would be the number of pounds of blend coffee times the cost per pound, 10 parentheses X plus 2. So now we can make our equation, and we're going to let X equal the number of pounds of premium coffee. The equation that we can make would be found here in the third column, where we have the total cost for the premium coffee plus the total cost for the supreme coffee is equal to the total cost for the blend coffee. Let's write our equation. Now we need to solve this equation. The left side of the equation is simplified. There are no like terms to combine, so we leave that alone. The right side of the equal sign, we look at the parentheses. There is no more we can do to it, so we will work on the distribution of the 10 times X and the 10 times 2. 10x plus 20. And then let's go ahead and move our 9.5x to the right side of the equal sign, so we don't need to deal with a negative x value. That's minus 9.5x from the left side of the equal sign, and minus 9.5x from the right side of the equal sign. That leaves us with 23.5 is equal to 0.5x plus 20. To get the x term by itself, we need to move the 20 to the left side of the equal sign. So we can do that by subtracting 20 from both sides of the equal sign. That leaves us with the equation 3.5 is equal to 0.5x. I've run out of room, so I'm going to write the equation on the right side of the paper. Now we need to solve for x. We want to get the x all by itself, and we can do that by dividing both sides of the equal sign by the number in front of the x. Let's divide the right side of the equal sign by 0.5 and the left side of the equal sign by 0.5. The 0.5 divided by 0.5 equals 1. So we get 1 times x, which is simply x, is equal to 0.35 divided by 0.5. If we drop that into a calculator, we will find that the value is 7. So the question of how many pounds of premium coffee beans should be mixed with 2 pounds of supreme coffee to make the blend coffee based on the prices is 7 pounds of premium coffee. X is equal to 7. And I'm going to put a box around this and label my 7 pounds.